Are you excited in running a Google Cloud event or want to become a Google Cloud Arcade facilitator in the second cohort? So this is perfect video for you. First of all, if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So as you all are aware that the Arcade Facilitator program cohort 1 recently has ended. That was around 2nd of June. Now many of you have many questions. Don't worry, we'll cover all things in this video. Now the main thing is that this video is basically for both who were the previous facilitators in cohort 1 and who want to become a fresh facilitators. Basically, what does it mean? That previously many people who were a facilitator for the Arcade Facilitator program must have received one email for early access. And some of you that who are new and want to become a facilitator, you might be thinking, I have not been selected multiple times after application. Now here I will tell you the tips how you can just make your application become successful and get some exciting news that you have been selected. So the main thing is that first of all, let me brief you about the Arcade Facilitator program. So what does Arcade Facilitator program means and how you can begin your facilitator journey and help students become cloud ready. So first of all, let's take me to the email. So basically, no, first of all, let me brief you. So basically, Arcade Facilitator program is a program where students are guided. Basically, we have to guide students to complete their labs and basically regarding how to redeem credits and maintain their daily progress report. This is the job of a facilitator, and here are some benefits and perks too. So if you are new to this channel, you have not seen, you need to see one video. I will show you. Wait a minute, let me show you. This is my channel. Make sure to subscribe it. I will show you what kind of benefits they get. So basically, becoming a facilitator is a very easy job, but getting selected is a little bit tricky. So here we'll cover this. So basically, this is my channel, and recently we facilitators have received our goodie. So if you have not seen, let me show you which were the goodies. Yes, these are the goodies. Yes, it's coming here. So basically, you can see in this channel, these were the goodies that gimbal, power bank, etc. and a Google branded certificates. Yes, official Google certificate we got, which we can use for putting it on our resume. So in case you want to see what kind of goodies we get, you can watch it. Now let's come back to the main topic. Basically, this program runs twice a year in one cohort. Basically, in 1 year, it runs twice. The first cohort ended in June and second will be starting in the when it will be starting? It will be starting in August 4. So before that, they need to select the arcade facilitators who will become the flag bearer of this event. So first of all, let me show you one thing that for those facilitators who have been previously facilitated as a facilitator, they must have received this email. So this email is private. Basically here we have got one interest form. So basically you can see, thank you for being a flag bearer of Google Cloud Learning in the past and promoting our campaign. You are among the very few facilitators. Not all facilitators will receive this email. Only few who have who have given extremely well performance in the program will be getting this kind of email. So basically, let me clarify, this email is for the previous facilitators. Do not lose hope. I will tell you how you can become if you haven't received this email. So here some guidelines are there which will help both the participants who were the facilitators previously and who will be becoming in this cohort. So basically, what does the program means? Basically, in this program, let me clarify. Each month they launch some games and previous games and special games. Students have to complete this and reach a particular milestone. For getting some swags as a facilitator, for student only bonus point it's there. As a facilitator, you need to onboard minimum 100 users. So the number of users can increase, like you can even enroll 20,000 students, 10,000 students and anything. The main thing is that you must onboard at least 100 users in the campaign. If you have 99 users, then also you are not eligible for the swags. You need to enroll at least 100 users. It can be any. There is no age limit. Like only the lower age limit is there. You can enroll anyone. Like you can share it with your family members, with your parents, siblings, etc. If you are a college student, you can share in your college community, tech community, and if you are a YouTuber, you can share on your YouTube video also. So now the main thing is that if you are a YouTuber, so one more question people ask, that do we need to become a YouTuber for this? So the answer is no. You don't need a YouTube channel for becoming a facilitator. No need to worry about it. Now basically, as a facilitator, you have to just broadcast all the updates, all the challenges whenever the game is live. You must be knowing about the arcade games. Whenever it is live, you have to share with your community so that they can join and start completing it. You can share the resources, like if anyone is facing lab issues, how they can complete that particular lab. You can guide them in case they face any issue. You have to conduct meet sessions, Google Meet or anything. You can conduct offline sessions will also work, so you can do this. Now you can help them complete milestone in their targets. So basically you have to help them to complete these milestone. For example, let me show you. Yes, this is the syllabus of previous cohort, I think so. Yes, it's syllabus of previous cohort. Let me show you the syllabus of previous cohort. Currently, the new cohort syllabus will be updated. No need to worry about it. So let me show you for one milestone. So basically, you have to help them to complete this for milestone one example I am giving. Similarly, you can just check for 2, 3, and 4. So for milestone one, you have to help them to complete 4 arcade games, 4 trivia games, 10 skill badges, and then in return of this, they will be getting bonus points and you will be getting swags. Now, one more important thing is that I will come to this form, no need to worry about it. One more important thing is that suppose if you have 99 users enrolled in your facilitator code. Basically, we will be getting unique referral code. We have to share that code with the participant. So basically, if 99 users complete in this campaign, so you won't be eligible for the swags, but those 99 people will be getting swags irrespective of your performance. Basically, both the performance of the participant and the facilitator is different. So you have to do it like this. Now, one more important thing is that once the program is completed, you will be getting certificates and swags. Now here, what is the why you should take part? So they have mentioned a certificate of appreciation for Google from Google to each facilitators and some brand new goodies like the white hoodies. You can see white hoodie. You can see the power bank, gimbal. All things are here. You can see it. If you want to see the swags reveal, you can watch this video. Here I have shared the detailed video. I'll share the link in the description. Now here you can broadcast your network. So basically, if you are a facilitator who have been part of this facilitator program in cohort 2, this is for facilitator only. You need to fill the form which you have received through email. Basically, all those facilitators will have received this email on their personal email in which they were part of the facilitator program. That means while being selected, you share that email. You have to fill form using that email only. By 12th of July, 11:59 p.m. IST. After that, the form will be closed and it won't be open. As you have seen the rules, if you are a facilitator, how the many people forgot to claim the badge and they were unable to claim the goodies. So make sure to check this deadline, fill this form as soon as possible, and I will tell you how you have to fill the form. No need to worry about it. Now here, fill the form step by step detailed and then submit it as soon as possible. Make sure your name is same as per your government ID. I repeat, the name should be same as per your government ID because they might be asking, they might not, they have asked previously the government ID. Now after that, once you have submitted, if selected, they will reach you that you have been shortlisted. And after that, after filling the shortlisted, you have to nominate one facilitator and then you'll be able to be select. So basically, what is the thing, that you will be two facilitators. One you who will be selected by Google and the second one will be selected by self. Like if I am selected, I can select anyone, any of my family members, any of my friends, anyone who is at least 18 years of age and resides in India. So this was the main thing you need to know. And the swags won't be distributed half. Same set of swags will be given to the facilitator and co-facilitator separately. Like for example, this swag I have also got and my co-facilitator also got. It does not like this that I got gimbal and he got bag. Similarly, okay? And this time we are getting hoodies in the arcade program. Now come to the main thing. The many of you are not facilitators. Basically, many of you are new and want to become a facilitator. So what is the thing you need to do? I have shared the video already. Here's the video. You can watch it. This is 12 days ago. I made it early only. Now many people are making it about it. So here, how you can become a facilitator. I have shared the complete guidelines how you can become, how to fill the form and how to completely become a facilitator. Apart from this, I've shared the form link also. I will share the link of this video in the description. But let me show you a short demo. For detailed demo, you need to watch this video and complete the form as soon as possible. I think you should complete by 12th of July because they are closing that form only, that form by 12th of July, and they will definitely close this one early also or later also because many people have filled the form. So just let me show you the form. So this is the form. If this form is for the non-facilitators, people who were not part of facilitator program. Okay. So I hope you got it. This form is for non-facilitators. So how you have to fill it? You have to come down here. You have to enter an email. You have to use any email that is basically there is no issue if he has any alphanumeric characters. You have to just use that email. You can use any email, but the name should be as per your government ID. Now click on yes. Now many of you are asking like how to, let me show you one thing. Many of you are asking that you want a video on Hindi. So basically what you need to do, I think here it's not working. But in devices like mobile phone, it shows like you can just change the language. Okay. You can just change the language also. Like you can change to Hindi, English, Bengali, French, etc. So you can change the language from mobile. Now here you have to just enter your name. Full name as per your government ID. So have written it. You have to write it. Now you have to enter the email. Make sure to enter the correct email, which will be available for you for the next 2 to 4 months because the swags and all the updates regarding the facilitator program will be sent to that email only. Now the second thing is that you have to enter your institution, basically your college, university, or your company. So for sample, let me write my company. Yes, and just write working developer. If you don't want to disclose, you can write other, but I will recommend use only these two options and then country. So now the country main thing is that this facilitator program is eligible for Indian participant only. So if you want the facilitator swags, you can participate in it if you are from different country, but for if you want to participate as a facilitator from India and win swags, then only fill this form I will recommend because this program is mainly based on Indian participants only. So just try to make sure it. But what you need to check is that you need to check that any country participant can take part in this facilitator program as a participant. But for being a facilitator, you need to be in the Indian country only. So just write India. Now, LinkedIn profile. If you don't have a LinkedIn, create one. It's very easy. You have to go to their website, sign up and create it. Make sure it's look like genuine account, not fake account. Now, YouTube channel. Many of you were asking, can we have a YouTube channel too? Or what should we do if you don't have a channel? No need to worry about it. You can write NA. You can see, you can write NA. They won't be selecting or rejecting based on YouTube channel. For help, like many of you are new and want help and guidance for the program, what you can do, you can share my videos to your participants and they will be able to complete the labs also, and whatever updates I get, I will post in the video. You can share with them and they will be able to complete this program. Now Google Cloud community link. So basically what you have to do, you have to just open this page, and here basically you have to create a Google community account. Just like any account, you have to just simply log in and create an account and just come back to your profile. Let me show you like this. So basically here you have to just copy this URL on the top and just paste over here. Now you have to just type your, do you have internet connection? So obviously you have because you are watching the video. Yes. And for public profile, you have to share the public profile of the URL which you are using. Basically, which account you are using as a participant. So here there is no restriction for old or new account. You can use any account as a part of facilitators. So this thing is the main thing. You have to share the public profile URL. If you don't know how to do these things, I have already, wait a second, I have already made a video. You can watch it for more clarifications. Because if I start explaining it, it will become 40 to 50 minutes long. So now here just type high five, and here these are the three main things. So here basically you have to tell why you are the right person to become a facilitator. You have to explain them and gain the trust why you are becoming a facilitator, not for the greed of swags, for the learning purpose. So here you can write why you think you are the right person. Basically here you have to explain what were the challenges, what are your experiences, and what you know about cloud, which will help the participants to uh, to just to just help. I mean, what you can do to help the participants in simple words. So this is the main thing, and this is basically the most important thing. Like if you have led any program, community program, or any of your cultural programs, like anything like DevFest, Gen AI Study Camp, even if you are from non IT background, any event which you have run and help participants, it can be non tech also. There is no issue because here there is no limitation. Like only someone who is from tech can take part as a facilitator. I have seen many facilitators who have just done another course, non-IT course. Many of them are even in 12th class. Yes, you heard it right. Many of them are 12th class. And basically here the age limit is 18. That's why anyone can become a facilitator. Now, if you want to share anything, why you are excited, you can share. I am excited to be a part. This will be my first facilitator program. You can write it like this and then click on I agree and then submit the form. So basically these two are very important question. Why you think you are the right person? You can just write your feelings. Basically no need to use high level English. Basically they will review it simply. You have to write simply what you feel about and just tell in simple English words. Now, the second thing is that similarly for this, make it simpler. Don't make use complex. Also, avoid copy pasting from any chat GPT etc. answer. Just try to make your own simple answer and you will definitely get selected if the slots are not full. Okay. So now click on submit. Now a copy of this form will be sent. Now a lot of the emails are being circulated a fake email for facilitator program. How you can verify the email is just original? You can see this form was created inside google.com. And if you just create a normal form, you can see this will nowhere be written there. So you need to just take care of this. So I hope this clears your doubt. Once you have click on submit, this copy of form response will be sent to your email ID, and after that, once the shortlisting is done, you'll receive a shortlisting email where you have to just select your co-facilitator. And once the co-facilitator is selected, you have to just share his or her detail via email. And that facilitator, that is basically your co-facilitator, will have to fill similar form like this. That form will be different. You have to fill that form also, and then you will get a selection email, and then you will get a link to join the Google Cloud community, and that is private community of facilitators. After that you'll be able to start the challenges and help your participants, and there will be onboarding sessions also, so you need to stay tuned for that. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you want to become a participant similarly, I need to make you clarify that if you want to become a facilitator, then you have to fill this form. But if you want to become a participant, not facilitator, I will share the form link in my video. I'll make a detailed video how to be fill the form as a participant. The form will be released around 4th of August around 5 p.m. So I'll share the form and make a video on it. No need to worry about it. That's all about today, and that's all about this video, how to become a facilitator. For previous facilitators, do fill the form as soon as possible so that you don't miss the spot. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.